Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my Embellish Live. In today's episode, I am finally going to decide my outfit for the final runway event that I am attending this year. Dress code being Island Chic. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. So I'm on a time crunch here, guys. I know, I know. How do I manage to get myself in these things? But we are here. So here's my dilemma. I was invited to attend a runway show on the 3rd of December. Today is the 27th of November. It is what it is right now. It is what it is. It's all my fault, to be honest. So anyway, so the dress code for this particular event is Island Chic. You know, a few months back, I attended one with the dress code being Resort Chic and the color being white. Well, this one is Island Chic and the color is green. Listen. Oh my goodness. So I had a few setbacks with this one, to be honest. Um, Reason being, first, I had a dilemma with the fabric, and then I couldn't decide what to wear. And I'm still on a limbo, but I'm hoping that I'll get it figured out by the time this video finishes. So, a few months back, when I was initially invited, I went through my stash. That's the first thing I did. I went through my fabric stash, and there wasn't any green fabric in there that jumped out and spoke to me at the moment. So, I decided to order some fabric. So, I went on Fabric Mart, and I thought that I saw the perfect fabric, but my screen and my eyes were playing tricks on me, and it came and I wasn't too pleased with it at all. And I did show you guys this fabric in the Fabric Mart haul that I had recently. Now, so I was a bit disappointed in this fabric. Not a bit, I was hugely disappointed in this fabric. And so I decided that for this particular event, I don't want this fabric because it's just not speaking to me how I want it. But I must thank some of you guys, some of you are my subscribers, who actually gave me some ideas in ways how I can actually judge this fabric up a bit. So, yes, I am going to take those suggestions into consideration, and I thank you so much. But for this event, nah, it's just not hitting how I wanted to hit. So then I said, okay, because my aim was to avoid all of this that I'm in now, this last minute thing, because now I just have days to make this happen. So now I went back online and I found another fabric that I said, okay, this could work. It's giving me the island vibes, and it's not entirely green, but it's mostly green, and we can live with that. So I purchased this linen. It's linen, and I love it. It has tropical plants, and there's some parrots on it as well, and I absolutely love this. I think this would definitely work. Now, before this fabric came, I told myself, well, in the event that this fabric should come and I'm still not happy, I still need a backup. So I went into my local fabric store, and I saw some Ankara fabric that I said maybe it might work as a backup. So this is the Ankara fabric. I bought 4 yards of this. I also did purchase 4 yards of the linen as well. So I also have this Ankara fabric. But this one came and I'm happy with this fabric. So I think this is the fabric that I'm going to use. Okay, we've got that settled. Now on to the pattern. So after I had my fabric debacle all sorted, it was time now to see the pattern. What pattern would be selected for the fabric? So the dress code is island chic. Yes, we've established that. I needed some inspiration. So what I did, I actually went on to Pinterest to see what they have going on over there because I needed some inspiration, to be honest. And so Pinterest did not disappoint. They did not disappoint. And I was actually pleased with what I saw and actually came out with some ideas. Quite a few of them I've pinned to use for another time. But from going through that and doing my research, I realized I didn't want to wear a dress to the event. I didn't. I was more leaning towards um, maybe a two-piece outfit with being a wide leg trouser and a top, or a romper or jumper of some sort. So that was what I wanted to do. I have a thing for trousers lately, and I'm just going to ride with it. So I said, okay, if I'm going to make a two-piece garment, I already had New Look 6438 for the trouser that I've made the trouser twice. I did. And so I'm like, okay, that wide leg trouser is already done and dusted, and I've already did all the adjustments, and it's good to go. I can knock that out. But the top, I was thinking more about maybe doing sort of a crop top like, but an asymmetrical top. So the sleeves would be one of the big puffy sleeves, and then there would be sleeveless on the other side. That was one idea that I had. Also, another one would be that I had was also I was thinking about not cropping, hacking my wrap dress pattern. Is it McCall 6959? I think that's what it is. I was thinking about hacking that pattern and using that wrap topper and make it a part of this outfit here with the wide leg trouser. So those were my options that I had that I was thinking about should I decide to wear a two-piece um, garment. And you guys know me. You guys know that I love to fabric match. So along with this fabric, I also got some plain green fabric to match. So I can say that I was actually in the dress code. I was compliant. So this is my accent fabric that I'm hoping to use. So I said, okay, if I decided to do a two-piece outfit, those are my options. But I think I was leaning more towards having a jumpsuit or a romper. So I said, okay, let me think about this again before I start to do anything. And the more that I think about it, I put it to the side, I think about it, I was more resolute that I wanted to make a one-piece outfit. And so, therefore, when I went through my stash, it just hit me. And I'm so glad that it wasn't any sort of long talking and negotiation this time around. I found it, the pattern. And that is Vogue 9259. You know what? I've realized that I haven't sewn any Vogue for the year. How dare I? No, 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 no. And I love me some Vogue. So Vogue 9259 is the pattern that I'm going to use for this outfit. Now, my dilemma is now because I went on Instagram to see what's some makeups of the pattern, and I was so blown away. So now my dilemma is whether or not I want to make the shorter version or the longer version of this pattern. And I think this pattern would absolutely work for the event that I am attended. Now, what I love about this 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 jumpsuit is that the top the top is everything. It's low back, so I know that I will have to use my breast tape to fix these bad boys once I'm finished. So I know that I can't wear a bra with this outfit, but I still want to make this nonetheless. I'm so excited about it. So it's a halter. It's a very low back, and then it's attached to the trouser, and I can actually see myself using both the printed fabric and the green fabric. I've actually seen some inspiration on Pinterest where there was some color blocking with the jumpsuit, or one half was made with the printed and the other half was made with the plain. I'm so excited to see what I will decide, but rest assured, this is the pattern that I'm going to use, Vogue 9259. And I'm so excited to get started with it. So, yeah, I have my fabric, and now I have my pattern, and we are off to the races for this one. All right, lovies, that is all that I have today pertaining to my sewing plans for Island Chic. Yes, I am so glad that this process is over with and I can start, getting to the fabric and cutting it and sewing it up. Yes, I'm so happy about that. Yes, I do plan to do a pattern review after this, after I've completed this pattern. So stay on the lookout for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram to keep up with my other crafty shenanigans. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling. And always remember to make beautiful and wonderful things. All right, lovies, I'm out of here. Bye.